Hi there everyone, welcome to Brainiest Ben's YouTube channel, and today we've got a bit of a different one. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Nextbase 122 Dashcam. So I was recently turned on to these dash cameras and certainly wanted to give them a try. As anybody will know, being on the road these days, you certainly need as much protection as you can from accidents, and also to help with your insurance if you need to claim. So a dash camera is perfect for that, and certainly the Nextbase ones are market leaders, and these guys offer amazing products for not a lot of money. So this particular one is the 122. This is the entry level in the new range of Nextbase dash cams, and this particular one was £49 from Halfords. It is the like I said, the entry level model, but it's packed with really cool features. So first and foremost, the camera comes in a box like this. It's a very nice packaging, as you can see, and some details on the back there of the camera there. So it is a 720p 30 frames per second camera, which is in this one with a nice 120 degree wide angle lens, so it's going to be able to capture everything in the field of view of the car. It's also got the collision detection and parking detection as well, so the camera knows with its G sensors inside that you know, when you have an accident, and also when the car is parked up as well, it goes into like a standby mode and activates if your car gets pranged or if it gets broken into. The force of the impact that happens will start the camera recording as well. So this is what you get in the box there. This is all the stuff that comes in there. I'll read that to you now. So you get obviously the 122 dashcam itself. You get the click and go pro mount, which is neodymium magnets, which has the power for the unit as well. So as soon as it's on, that mount locks in and gives the unit power. You've got the 12 to 24 volt car adapter in here. You've also got the USB cable for data transfer and charging as well. You've got the suction mount, power cable fitting tool, and also your quick start guide as well. So let's have a little unboxing here, shall we? So it's the first time I've probably done an unboxing, I think, on the channel. So we'll have a look and see what's in the box, and then we can get to fitting it, and then I can give you some initial thoughts. So in the box here you do get your camera and everything in here, but you got a little thanks for purchasing the next generation dash cam, and checking firmware and all of that kind of stuff. I've got the how to quick start guide. You have the unit itself, nice foam cutout packaging there, and a nice little bag, and also you have this box here as well with all your bits and bobs in it there. All in all, very nice packaging and everything. It's a nice compact unit. It's not massively huge. It's not going to take up a lot of room on your windscreen. And like I said, I'm going to get to mounting it. I'm going to start using it for the next couple of weeks, see how things go. I decided to opt for the entry-level model because I thought, you know, I wanted to see what they're like and see what they can do for me. I don't need all the bells and whistles at the moment, and obviously, you know, it's got to think about cost as well. This fits into my budget very well. So let's see how things go, and let's see what this thing can do. So thanks very much for watching. This was only a very quick unboxing, but all in all, so far, very impressed with all the packaging and everything. Quality of the unit feels quite good. You know, it certainly feels like, I mean, I'm personally a fan of weighty things, you know, that have got a bit of weight to them. This has a nice little bit of weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. I have handled one of these previously when they were in pre-production actually, but yeah, it feels nice and got a little bit of substance to it, so that's all good. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been Ben of Brainiest Ben's YouTube, and you know, if you want to see what happens next, of course, I'm going to be hopefully posting a little up after a week initial thoughts and everything. I'm not going to do a review now because I can't do, obviously, because I've not used the unit, but we'll see how things go, and I'll post an update as soon as I can. Thanks very much for watching. Speak to you soon.